Hello everyone, this is Sharika Islam Sharna. Today I am going to explain this Excel sheet which is used for calculating the EAR. Here we are given some information. The PV1 rate 12% and 1 and compounded periods per year is 12. Now we have to find our AR value. We press equal, then we type FV tab rate is 12% divided by 12 equivalent per 12 and multiplied by 12 PMT is 0, PV is 1.00, type 0, that means we are going to type tab, then we close our bracket. As we have to find here our given formula, last we type -1, then we press enter to get the value of here. In this Excel sheet, we have to find the present value of bond. For this, we type equal, then we type PV tab rate is 12%, then N per 20, then PMT to multiplied by 14%. FE is 0. Then we close our bracket. Then we close our bracket to get the value of present value of bond. Now we press enter. Here is our present value of bond. Now we find the NPV IRR payback period. For NPV, in this Excel sheet, we show that how can we measure IRR, XIRR, AMIRR with the given information of cost of capital. First, we have to calculate IRR for project A and project B. For project A, how can we find IRR? We press in equal, then we type IRR. Tab values means guess. Here is IRR for project A is 19.86%. For project B, values here for project B's IRR is now 21.65%. Now we calculate X IRR. For this we have to type equal, then we type X IRR, then we type tab, values means for project A, dates, this is for project A, and now we are calculating for project B. We type equal, then we type X IRR, values means of 10, now date, then we press enter. This is the value of X IRR for project B. Now we have to calculate it. AMIR for project A. We press equal, then we type AMIRR, then we tab values means then we press enter. This is for project A. Now we calculate for project B. Press tab values finance rate, that means cost of capital. Reinvest means cost of capital. Then we close our bracket, then we press enter to get the value of project B. For project B, AMIRR is 16.04%. In this Excel sheet, now we show that loan amortization. First we have to delete it that was previously did. How can we do a loan amortization table? First we select H6 for find the payment. We type PMT, then we type tab. Here is our given information is principal amount is 5 lakh, rate 12%, per year is 15 and payment per year is 12. For find the PMT we need rate. Rate is 12%. Payment divided by payment per year. Then enter means year multiplied by payment per year. PV is 5 lakh. FP is 0. Then end of the period we type tab. Then we close our bracket. Then we press enter. Our payment is $6,000. Then we select S9 and writing month. Then we select I7. Then we select cell I7 and write interest. Then we select cell J7 and write principal. Then we select balance. Then we select the cell K7 to write the balance. Now selecting H8 cell to write 0 and selecting K8 to write the principal amount. Selecting H9 from H11 and then we drag from 180. Here is our man. Then we need payment. In previous we did the payment. Now we again have to do the payment. We write P&T, type tab. Rate is 12% divided by payment per year. Then N per means year multiplied by payment per year. PV is 5 lakh. FB means 0. Type means end of the period. For this end of the period we have to type tab. Then we close our bracket and press enter. Selecting the I9 cell and drag to 180 to autofill. For this we need to, for the problem we need to freeze them. In the formula bar we have to freeze them. For freeze we have to click F9 with F4 button. Then we select the cell I9 and write and drag to 180 to autofill. We have to click right button, double click. Yes, here is our payment from 1 to 118. Then we have to find interest. For interest, we type equal, then type IP and team, then type tab, rate, rate means 3 divided by payment per year, per means H, per means and per year multiplied by payment per year PV 5 lakh. If P is 0, type end of the period, type tab, then we close our bracket, then press enter. We have to freeze them. Then we type equal TP for find the value of principal. Rate is 5%, 12% divided by payment per year per year multiplied by payment per year and H9 and per year multiplied by payment per year. PV is 0. If PV is 5 lakh, is AB is 0. Then you tap tab, then you press enter. Now we have to freeze them all. Except S9 cell, we have to freeze them all. Then we have to find the balance. Now we press L9 cell and writing equal L8 plus previous K9 cell, then we press enter. Now we have to drag them from 1 to 180 cell. Yes, here is our loan amortization table. Thank you everyone.